Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from class C of the 3 Nursing Education program at UPI Sumedang Campus. Today we will present a presentation on the topic of common hospital problem. Okay, the first for presentation, Ahmad Syahril.
Okay, thank you, moderator. I will presentation about ghosts in certain room. Gonjam Psychiatric Hospital even tops the list of vendors place in the world. South Korea also see to be familiar with the various horror stories that have developed from this place. Gonjam Psychiatric Hospital has been closed. The cost factor made this hospital stop operation because coupled with the problem of clean lines and waste disposal which were recorded to be worrying since the building began to be damaged or overgrown when weeds. Spooky story began to creep in. Curious people came, especially the ghost hunters. Those who claim to be able to see spirits say that there are many ghosts signing of variants and stuff in every corner of the building. Thank you.
Okay, next for Muhammad Ilmi.
Okay, the healthcare facilitator is a knowledgeable counselor who will provide you with confidential one-on-one assistance is resolve health plan issue. There is no card for the service provided by the healthcare facilitator. The healthcare facilitator can help resolve problem with medical plans, doctor medical group, or providers, and with other health cover offered by the dental and vision plans. If you need help resolving an issues with your UC health plan, call your healthcare facilitator. The healthcare facilitator will provide individual guidance and if necessary interactive with the medical plan or UCOP human resources on your behalf. The healthcare facilitator is also available to speak with campus medical center or laboratory group about health coverage and or process. Okay, thank you.
Okay, next for Sylvie.
Okay, thanks. Her will presentation about lakhs of blood stock in 3 hospitals. Of the 3 existing hospitals, namely Regional Public Hospital Sekayu, Regional Public Hospital Sungai Lilin, and Regional Public Hospital Bayung Lincir. Every year around 8,000 bags are needed. Meanwhile, Indonesia Red Cross, together with the 3 existing hospitals, are only able to meet the blood needs of approximately 3,500 bags per year. This happened, or of which was Indonesia Red Cross Mubah himself when he did not have the equipment for the transfusion service unit. So far, the blood stock was stored in the hospital blood transfusion unit. The blood transfusion unit itself will be released in 2022. This is after Indonesia Red Cross Mubah an audience with the local government The plan is that in 2022, all facilities and equipment for medical equipment for UTD can be released with a will for the building and HR itself, Indonesia Red Cross MUBA. If all facilities and author are ready, the target of 8,000 blood bags per year can be met. Thank you.
Okay, next for Sophie.
Okay, thanks. I will presentation about common problem in hospital regarding service to patient is still low. We have often heard that because of regulation and registration problem, which are very troublesome, it makes it difficult for a patient to get health service quickly. There are even some patients who are actually seriously ill but are left to wait for up to a month. It seems that health service actors still have to be more alert in following up on their patient. Besides, that they also have to be more attentive in serving their patient who, in this case, are sick. Lack of care and slow handling of health actors are also obstacle why hospital service in Indonesia are still often constrained. Thank you.
Okay, next for Disti.
Okay, I will be presenting problem about the length of time patient wait to get service at the hospital. Waiting time for service a problem that is still encountered in healthcare practice. And one of the potential components cause desertification, where long waiting causes desertification with patient. Waiting time is a problem that always causes patient complaint in several hospitals. Often the problem of waiting time for this service does not get the attention of the hospital management. Category distance between waiting time and estimate check-in time satisfactory or unsatisfactory patient, among other things. When the patient came, he started from registering the counter, queuing and waiting call to general folly for analysis and check-in by a doctor, nurse of midwife more than 90 minutes all category. 30 to 60 minutes moderate category and more or less than 30 minutes past category. Thank you.
Okay, next for Anissa.
At this time, technology is very developed. There are already lots of high medical devices that can be to monitor your health. But unfortunately, people are still very unfamiliar with this. Request the SIMS or hospital management system to have not been optimal by all hospitals in Indonesia. Even the existence of SIMS facilitates the work of doctor and hospital staff to be too. Thank you.
Okay, next Viva. Sorry, Shiva. Unmute.
Sorry. Okay, first let me introduce myself. My name is Ipadura Pina and I'm from 1C and my ID student is 2101824. The topic maintained is problem in hospital regarding facilities. Facilities in city hospital are often incomplete and require patient to be referred to large hospital. As a result, patients have to incur costs. In this because the government pays little attention to the equipment in the hospital which should have been prepared from the start. The hospital is one facilities that has an important role in improving health status and is expected to be able to provide quality service. One indicator of quality service is complete medical record data and information. Completeness of medical report document is very important because it affects the patient treatment process and insecure claims. In fact, there are still many medical documents that have not been filled out completely. Overall, the cause are the lack of communication, the business of doctor and the manager of medical record of the absence of tool to print medical record forms, not having an assembly room and no checklist for assessing the completeness the medical records. Lack of the socialization and police relate to medical records and the absence of medical record system reward and punishment. Thank you.
Okay, next for Tatang.
Yes, service to client is still low. We have often had the because of relationship and registration problem when are very investment in the end of making in deficit for paying to get health service quickly. There are even some partitions where actually seriously ill but are left to win for months. It seems that healthy service outsourcing still have to be more led in following up on their pains. Basic that there also have to be more attention in having their pain we who in the case are stuck lack of care and slow handling of healthy attention alert also button when hospital service in are still after contention. Thank you.
Next, Tiara.
My name is Tiara Putri Norini. I am from class 1C. I will present about digital healthy and the signal of healthy system. Information and communication technologies have transformed all sectors of society. The healthy sector is no exception to this trend. This rate of digital healthy, we see multiply number of web platform and mobile health application. Upward, by now you compensation players who produce and after surface in knowledge and not healthy well. Okay, thank you.
Next, Putri.
Okay, thank you. I will presenting about common problem in hospital. The problem is not using sufficient technology. Currently, with this creation of technology, it is hoped that humans can feel helped and facilitated through the use of technology. According to Kominfo, internet user in Indonesia in 2019 increased by 13.3%. And this was the fastest increase from the previous year. But apparently, even though the internet is experiencing growth, it is not balanced with the use of exciting supporting technology. For example, now we can consult online with doctors to take first aid measures, but apparently this has not been used by Indonesian people in general. So when they went to the hospital for treatment, the patient was already in a weak condition, plus they have to wait in line. The solution is optimizing connectivity and technology. If the internet networks is available, the medical service is ready to hold a health campaign, but it turned out that it's only carried about in the area, not in other areas, or the local medical service does not take any innovative action to advance the health of the area. Therefore, as a healthcare worker today, we must be technology literate. Technology literacy in this case is having to be able to operate technology in order to get various kind of information. Thank you.
Satya.
Okay, thank you. In this occasion, I will explain about the lack of adequate health facilities. The lack of healthy facilities has become a problem that often occurs in Indonesia because technology has not been able to catch up with the flow of countries such as countries in Europe, Japan, and Singapore. Health facilities should become public facilities for the Indonesian people themselves. Facilities are important facilities and infrastructure in increasing satisfaction in service. Health service provided must be able to provide medical service or facilities in curing disease and recovering health to always try to improve the quality of service that is oriented to customer satisfaction. So that the facilities in service quality, simultaneously and partial had a significant effect on user. Good service quality certainly create service user satisfaction. Of course, every health facilities provider, such as hospital, health center, or clinic, always try to focus on customer satisfaction and is responsive to patients who come to provide health service by using skilled and professional personnel so that service quality provide meets the expectation of the patient. Thank you.
Okay, next, Astrid. The problem is the condition of losing a hospital. Number one, reputation, the good name of the hospital signifies the quality of service from them. Number two, medical and non-medical things in a hospital are not only the medical team must excel, but also the non-medical team. The two of them become a unified hospital service that is needed by patients. First, a hospital that has experienced cardiologists and well-known support staff. Number three, infrastructure, equipment, and other supporting infrastructure facilities are also key in patient care. Cardiac hospital must have good infrastructure with the latest technology from the stage of diagnosis treatment. Number four, location is the most important factor especially in emergency. We recommend that you go to the heart hospital, which is located close to your home. Ending of patient with heart disease is determined by time. The sooner the patient gets medical treatment, the greater the chance of survival. Thank you. Okay, next.
Okay, I will presenting about poor nurse performance. Critical thinking of nurse in fixing problem in the hospital. Critical thinking for nurse is very necessary because every nurse must always be like when she make decision or when she takes nurse action to patient. Because when he is wrong in it is certain that the mistake will be very fatal and also result in a dangerous situation for both the patient and the nurse herself. Nurse fatigue factor. it is necessary to schedule nurse break in accordance with the physical fatigue factor. The method used to identify physical fatigue was measured by measuring heart rate, level of Slavin's body temperature, and questionnaire data. Data from this questionnaire is used as additional support in making decision. Thank you.
Next, Reza.
Okay. I will present the common problem in hospital error with medication. A medication error is defined as any preventable event that may cause or lead to inappropriate medication used to patient from while the medication is in the control of the healthcare professional, patient, or consumer. Prescribing an improper dose, prescribing the wrong drug, and even getting patient medication mixed up are errors that can have serious and even fatal consequences, and they are all too common in hospital. Whether the nurse, the pharmacy, or the physician can end up being responsible. There are many steps at which an error can have. Patients should take the initiative of doing research into the effect of drug and any possible contraindication. Thank you.
Thanks, Maria.
Okay, thanks. The founder and chairman of the Center for Healthcare Policy and Reform Studies, Indonesia, revealed that the level of hospital service in Indonesia is still relatively low. This is reflected in the community obligedness in obtaining health service at several hospitals in Indonesia. Patients suffering from severe illness are asked to wait for service for up to 1 month at home, in which the patients shall get help. Not only there, until the second, there are still long waits at several hospitals. Not to mention, if they have to wait again for the drug taking process and even get a referral to other hospital, which will take time and also cost, so that the patient ended up seeking treatment in another country. For example, patients from Medan and Sumatra Island, many of them chose to go to Penang, Malaysia, or Singapore because their equipment and the readiness of the human resources at the hospital are more promising. Thank you.
Okay, next for Shiva.
Okay, thank you. Less optimal service quality. For example, patients who have serious illnesses are asked to wait for service for up to 1 month at home, but serious illness should be more important to be treated, not ignored, because serious illness can lead to fatal consequences such as death or disease that can continue to incur if neglected or postponed for months. Most of them choose to refer to a more adequate hospital and privatize seriousness. Thank you.
Okay, next for Sri.
Okay, thank you. Here I will present about the topic of BPJS problem. The National Health Insurance System, or JKN or BPJS, health is still far from perfect, even though this system has been running for 5 years. Various problems arise and the end create a BPJS health deficit. In 2020, for example, the BPJS health deficit reached 19 trillion rupiah. In fact, the government has not counted how many times the government has held meetings about the BPJS health deficit, but at the ministerial level and the cabinet level, which is carried directly by the president. In the last 4 years, the government has injected 26 trillion rupiah of funds. However, the BPJS health deficit remains gaping as the amount has reached 49 trillion since 2015. The Financial and Development Supervisory Agency has completed an audit of JKN system. There are several root causes that make BPJS deficit. Here is the root of the problem. 1. Naughty hospital, more service from participant, by company, low active participant, invalid data, and less claims management. The role of BPJS for public health costs is very important. Of course, this problem must be followed up by the government, the end, so that the people are not oppressed. Thank you.
For Azahra. Azahra.
Service to patient is still low. We have often heard that regulation and registration problems are very inconvenient, eventually making it difficult for patients to get health service quick. There are even some patients who are actually sick but still wait up to a month. It seems that the health service actors still have to be more alert in reporting their patients. Besides that, they also have to pay more attention to serving their patients, who in this case are sick, lack of attention, and slow handling of health actors are also obstacles by hospital service in Indonesia are still often constrained. Thank you.
Okay, next for Riza.
Here I will present two topics. The first is topic 3, common problem, and the second is topic 1, healthcare. Common problem in hospital. Hospital service amid the corona pandemic. Director General of Health Service, Ministry of Health, Dr. Bambang Wibowo, applaud to doctors and health workers not to practice routine except for emergency. This warning is intended to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The eval was conveyed through letter, which was addressed directly to all provincial, district atau city candidates and the main director head of hospital throughout Indonesia. This about its connection with the stipulation of the COVID-19 disease as a global pandemic and the single widespread COVID-19 outbreak in Indonesia. It is necessary to prevent transmission to doctor and the health work in hospital, as well as patients visiting hospital. This warning include the hospital provides service to COVID-19 patients and the complex tension of holding COVID-19 cases on personal protective equipment. This applies to all health work according to the criteria for each service room and service rise. Topic 1, healthy care. Boost your immune system during a pandemic. The immune system is the body natural work on defending itself against all kinds of infection. The immune system also attacks various kinds of the bacteria and keeps the body healthy. Cause of the directest immune: 1. Have stress. 2. Lack of rest. 3. Rarely exercising. How to increase immunization? Here a form of implementing a healthy lifestyle that can be done to increase the body immune, namely, eat more vegetable and fruit, do exercise, adequate and quality sleep, avoid smoking, take vitamin C supplements, eating nutritious food, maintain personal healthy lifestyle during a pandemic. Avoid touching your face when your hand touch election prone to surface contact, such as door knobs. Another culture that can be applied is to bring your own food and drink during your activities during this pandemic, so you are less likely to be exposed. Thank you.
Okay, next for Anggi.
Hi, thank you. I will present common problem in hospital about low implementation of nurses and less professional, which is considered dissatisfied by the respondent, namely assurance, tangible, and empathy. Patient satisfaction research on assurance characteristic obtained most 53% patients stated that dissatisfied with the performance of nurses. Think this is due to lack of nurse ability to provide nursing care, proven with the nurses is not paying attention to the complaint felt. Nurse unable to answer questions about the care provided. Nurses are not honest in giving information about the patient condition. Nurses don't always greet and smile when met. The nurse was not careful and skilled in carrying out the action nurses. Thank you.
Okay, next for Nurpolinda.
Okay, problem is there are still hospitals that are oriented to the interests of management will ultimately forget about veteran safety in hospital. Has Carly stated that for hospital today must prioritize veteran safety above other intents. So hospitals should have an obligation to implement a veteran safety culture. There is no longer any reason for every hospital not to implement a veteran safety culture because it is not only a material loss but also a threat to the veteran's life. It should be if there is negligence or even intentional negligence on the part of the hospital which results in the death of patent safety, not only internal sentence but also into the criminal realm. This is something that has not been implemented until now, so that people who are harmed because of weak law enforcement in the and the case just averted. Thank you.
Okay, next for Gina.
The problem escapability is an obstacle where there may be a lot of general practitioner, but not specialist doctor. While cushioning capacity medical device with innovative breakthroughs that are not yet owned by many hospitals. Many factors will affect the quality of service in the future. Health facility and other system must be able to support each other. The form of health service can be improved with the version of technology.
Okay, next for Resta.
Okay, my name is Resta and I want to present the nursing and second shortage. Is a supply and demand issues data published by the Association of American Medical College, IMC. First was that the US will experience a shortage of between 5,400 and 1,000 and 139,000 primary and specialty care physicians by 2033 as the demand increases. The AMC Quest President and CEO David G. Carter as saying that analysis continue to show that our country will face as a significant shortage of physicians in the coming years. The gap between the country increasing healthcare demands and the supply of doctors to respond adequately has become more evident as we continue stand treat. The main issues involves the following is first care and lack of insurance coverage of time, inflexibility, limited access, and lack of efficiency. Thank you. That's all for me.
Next for presentation, Lutfi.
Terima kasih kepada moderator. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The problem is the consideration of closing a hospital. Three are many factors that need to be taken into consideration when closing a hospital. Among them, 1. Reputation. The good name of the hospital signifies the quality of service from them. 2. Media and non-media medical teams. 3. Infrastructure, equipment and other supporting infrastructure facilities are also key in patient care. for insurance BPJS if you are registered as an insurance participant. Be sure to choose RS. 5 occasion. Thank you.
Next for Dwi.
Common problem is here in hospital. Again, the service to question is still low. We have or heard that because of regulation and regis problem, which are very troublesome. It makes it therefore persistent to the health service quick skill. There are some participants who are action still but are left to it for you a month. It's that health service actors still love to be more first in following up on their question. Besides that they also have to be more persistent in serving their spend or in this care are sick, loss of care and slow handling of health actor are all but scale why hospital service in Indonesia are still often constant. Okay, thank you.
Okay, next Nandika.
The problem in acquiring medical equipment. Fulfillment of medical facilities, infrastructure, and equipment needs to be accompanied by good governance. Fulfillment of medical facilities, infrastructure, and equipment (SPA) must coincide with the improvement of good governance. Competence of health service facilities must be met and managed with the existence of SPA human resources. Fulfillment of accreditation, financing, service system, and referral. To fulfill the medical facilities and equipment SPA in the DTPK, the Ministry of Health provides an affirmative DAK which begin to be implemented in 2017. The affirmative DAK includes the menu for the fulfillment of facilities, infrastructure, and medical device. Okay, thank you.
Okay, next Yogi.
Okay, my name is Yogi Rahayu. The problem of public service in the government environment has long been the center of public attention as there are many cases of public service that are considered less in favor of the interest of the community. Thank you.
Okay, next Aan. Next for Aan.
Okay, thank you for moderator. I will present a paragraph about how to solve healthcare problems with technology. Okay. There are several problems that they face every day. However, technology can help you stay ahead of the curve and lead ahead at placing you among the top technological healthcare providers. Here, here are some of the primary healthcare problems that technology can solve for a better and healthier world. Remote access. Healthcare has been associated with in-person consultation for decades. This has been a problem that obligates the patient to run to the nearest healthcare center for treatment. Now, the COVID outbreak and lockdowns made it even worse. The contagious effect of the virus restrained people in the four walls of their homes. So what do they do if they need to see a doctor and have an emergency? The need for remote access or virtual cons consultation is the need of the heart, which needs to be take care of the stay one step ahead in the technology adaptation race. For solution, mobile app developers continue to grow the flexibility and performance abilities of these remote-oriented platforms. This creates a reliable experience for medical experts to provide quality care and advice to patients from miles away. Maybe that's my presentation. Thanks for your attention. Sorry if there is mistake. Thank you.
For presentation is me. Fatima. I will present the PGS service quality. BPJS Health or Health Social Security Administration body is a public legal entity that is directly responsible to the President and has the task of administering national health insurance for all Indonesian people. BPJS Health does not seem to be free from problems. One of the problems relates to the level of customer satisfaction with the service provided. Customers admit that BPJS has repeatedly provided poor service and made it difficult for customers to get optimal access. BPJS Health also began to demand a lot for unclear reasons. I don't know what the cause is. However, this performance is considered very worrying. If not immediately repaired, the popularity of BPJS Health itself could be diminished in the next few years. Even though they have received notifications, several BPJS Health in certain areas still show unsatisfactory performance. Problems 1. The complexity of the BPJS health service flow because it applies a tiered service flow. Before going to the hospital, participation must first go to the first level of health facilities, namely the assessments. 2. Many BPJS participants complain the payment of medical expense is not fully covered by BPJS. 3. Referrals to health service institutions appointed by BPJS Health also are limited and inflexible. BPJS participants may only choose one health facility to obtain a referral and cannot go to another health facility even though they are cooperation with BPJS. This limitation makes it easier for people who often work and work in remote places. Thanks for your attention. Okay, for all, so many presentation from class C. Sorry if the delivery is not clear. Thank you for your time, attention, and for delivering your presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.